Hello and warm welcome to you all to Talkie English in this new video. أهلا ومرحبا بكم جميعا متابعي قناة Talkie English في هذا الفيديو الجديد.
Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing good and you're well. Today's video is a little bit different because we are going to learn the differences between homographs and homophones. Homographs and homophones. For your information, homophones and homographs are all parts of something general which is called homonyms. Homonyms. So first things first, let's take a look at the definition of each one. Homonyms and homophones. Homonyms and homographs, excuse me. So homophones are words that are spelled differently and have different meanings, but they sound the same. For example, week and week, sun and sun, sea and sea. These are called homophones. Let's take a look now at something which is called homographs. Homographs. So homographs are words that sound the same and spelled the same, but they have different meanings. Let me give you an example. Bat and bat. Match and match. Address and address. Okay? So yeah, these are all part of something broad which is called homonyms. So I hope this little lesson was clear enough for you. Of course, if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below and I will try to answer each and every question that you have about this subject. Also, don't forget to support me by hitting that heart and follow button. Of course, if you found this lesson hopeful and informative. And yeah, I will see you guys inshallah in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful and you've got something from it. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. And if you like this content, please click subscribe and show us your support by clicking that like button and activating that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. شكرا لمشاهدتكم هذا الفيديو. إن كانت لديكم أي أسئلة رجاء اطرحوها في التعليقات. لا تنسوا إظهار دعمكم لنا باشتراككم في القناة، إعجابكم بالفيديو وتفعيلكم لزر الجرس لتتوصلوا بأحدث الفيديوهات فور رفعها.